What's up? What's up, guys? My name is Myra. Me and my mom and dad, we are sitting and I'm eating noodles.
What are you doing, Myra?
I'm eating noodles.
You're doing mukbang.
I am doing mukbang.
अब खान त
In the bub.
Yeah.
It's still on.
Yeah. Say sorry, guys, for the burp.
Sorry, guys, for the burp.
Are you really going to eat all these, Myra?
No.
No, eat noodles. That's mommy, daddy's job. So do you want to say anything to your view? Do you want to say anything to your viewers? So, Sushmita Didi and Shweta Didi, they are saying lots of love. So, I love you too, Didi.
I love you too, Didi. Well, these my two.
Big Didi, yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Do you want to say anything to your viewers? You have to viewer.
What?
Okay, Myra. How was the food? How was the experience? Tell your viewers. Okay, tell it. How was it?
जबरदस्ती खुवाएको त नगर त
Myra,
यसले त फसाउँछ क्या
tell what you eat. What is this soba banana? And how was it? Tell it.
मम्मी त 3-4 घण्टा उभिएर बनायो यसले त खोक्दा खोक्दा जबरजस्ती खुवाएको गर्दैछ त
Okay, carry on. Lo, bana continue kar baba.
Just tell how was the food.
The food was good.
I think this is your last channel, last YouTube video.
First and last.
First and last.
Eat it.
Talk to your viewers.
Why are you looking at mommy? Look at the camera. If your tummy is full, don't eat now. So say, how was the sausage? How was the noodle?
How was the momo?
What
She
about the
didn't-
people?
Tell them, yeah.
Tell them, yeah.
How was the food?
No, because you are eating, so you have to tell them how was the food. ए आमा पेट दुखे उता को खाँदैन उता बस्छ
I'm done.
Okay, if you are done, sit down there. Sit down. ल टिस्युले मुख पुस्ने बस कट्टु देखे तेरो राम्ररी बस. Okay, now say how was the food? Now you tell how was the food. No, don't ask them how was the food. चप्पल ल्याउँदै इत्रे धेरै यो मेरो चप्पल ल्याउँदा उताबाट.
The food was great.
And then
At least tell
The
them.
noodles was great and the sausage was great.
What about the momo? You're so
She didn't even eat momo.
No, she doesn't so she does quick, and we are gonna end the video.
So that we can eat freely. So how was Cheetos, Myra? You didn't even touch these Cheetos.
Excuse me.
Daddy, I think this is the last video.
Yeah.
She's not serious. Yeah.
Wait, let me just get one for a second. Wait.
So tell everyone what you do whole day.
Oh yeah,
Okay, yeah, tell.
I call Matu. I play with Matu. I go to sleep. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I dress. My mom makes noodles. And we eat noodles. And we take a photo of you. Yeah?
Yeah.
And then we take urine.
Urine?
I mean the video.
Okay. No, just asking what you do every day. Not only today, every day.
I go to Matu's house.
चप्पल रिजुट्यो मलाई त के गर्छ दिनभरि के गर्छ सानो घरमा
Oh, I watch TV.
Oh, wow, well done. That's a clap. She watched TV. And then?
I watch iPad.
Yeah?
I watch iPad. I watch iPad.
So busy. Watch TV, watch iPad. And then, Ani, you don't do Kumon?
I do Kumon, I do maths, I do English. Okay, I'm thinking. Okay, I'm thinking. I just only one iPad. Oh, I play with Daddy. Daddy could smash butt. We have a movie. We go to sleep. Daddy plays monkey game. And Daddy tell me a story. And Mom and I play with Mommy. We always fight. Yeah, we always fight.
Okay, so tell 5 things about your daddy.
He's handsome, he's strong, he's fat.
Oh, don't say like that. And? Two more things about daddy.
He's cheeky.
Yeah, how?
He always fights with Mommy.
Okay, and 5 things about mommy.
She do work. I play with Mommy. Wait, sorry. I sleep with Mommy.
Yeah. 2 more.
Mommy shouts at Daddy.
And then?
And Mommy shouts at Daddy again.
Okay.
And that's it.
Only one more. 4 more. One more.
She gets Daddy in the lips.
Okay.
She gets dead in the lips. Oh my god.
Okay.
No, I think we need to end this here.
Okay, so who are your friends?
Matu, Keon, Ethan,
Look here.
Ethan, Matu, say them. Excuse me.
Oh, त्यसरी बब गर्ने हो नि त well done. School friends को नाम भन्नु नि त.
Tobias, Rinjo, Amaba, Melody, Henry, Noah.
Okay. So how old are you, Myra?
6.
What do you want on your next birthday?
iPhone.
You did a birthday. Okay.
But why do you want iPhone?
If you want to play the game, then you got your tablet.
You got your iPad.
Okay, Myra, okay. So when you will be a big girl and when you will start earning money, what are you going to give to daddy and mommy? What you'll give to daddy? What you'll give daddy?
A workout.
Huh?
A workout.
Why?
A gym. I mean gym.
Oh, so she'll give you a gym. Good.
Why?
What about mommy?
Tell why you want to give daddy gym.
Because he's fat.
Okay.
But saying fat is not a good word, Myra. Okay? And what do you want to give to mommy?
A dress.
What else? Okay, so do you know where is your Baje Baje? Where they live?
Impal.
Impal?
Nepal.
Okay. Can you tell your Baje Baje's name?
Daddy budget.
Name?
Noni. I don't know.
Okay, can you speak in Nepali then?
No.
Try?
Kim.
Kyahu? Okay, say, I ate my food.
Say that in Nepali.
Ama. Care food.
Okay, now don't laugh, okay?
Okay,
Say, मैले
मैले
खाना खायो.
खाना खायो.
मिठो थियो.
मिठो थियो.
मिठो थियो.
मिठो थियो.
सबैलाई त
No.
मिठो थियो.
मिठो थियो.
मिठो थियो. मिठो थियो.
मिठो थियो.
Are you tired?
Okay, let's end this video, Myra.
I'm done.
Okay, say bye to everyone. La.
Bye, YouTubers. See you next time.
So, what they need to do, Myra?
Subscribe my videos.
And then?
Bye.
And then?
Wait.
Click what? Something red button. के भन्छ नि?
Click the subscribe button.
And then?
And mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.
Yeah. यसलाई नै हालिदिन्छु क्या म युट्युब